This is it. We made it. It was long, it was a mission, but we made it. The boys have convinced me to come out. We're here with Will. He's come down from, where have you come down from?
Virginia. Well,
Virginia.
I came up from Virginia, yeah.
He does similar stuff to us, takes photos and talks about it. Walking around today, well, me and Will are walking. We're trying to find...
I like that.
That's all we do. We take photos and talk about them.
It's called simplicity. Simplicity is the key to life.
Exactly.
We take photos and we talk about them.
Exactly. We're trying to find these bikes because I've sprained my ankle and I don't want to be walking around everywhere, obviously, but it is raining here. So we're going to get really cool photos, like either way. But once we get these bikes, we'll be able to go to some cool photo locations. How's skating going?
AirPods.
Oh, fuck no. It's going good.
I'm on my own at the moment. All the boys are up there because I'm obviously like limping around whilst they're on skateboards and Will can walk normally, but it's alright. It's about discipline. That's what I'm learning today. Even if you're feeling shit, you just gotta go out and do it. Where are the bikes? Huh?
About that.
That you promised.
Dude, we're in New York City. There's gotta be bikes somewhere.
Now I just sound like I'm just complaining and ungrateful. Like I'm in New York.
You entitled piece of shit.
I'm entitled.
You need Gary Vee to just be like, your ankle will be fine.
We got the bike, but this is really awkward to ride now because I've got to ride, focus on traffic, but I've got to vlog as well. So I've got to ride with one hand. We're riding down a one-way street the opposite way because the boys are on the sidewalk, but it's illegal. Like I'm about to get run over. It's illegal to ride these on the sidewalk, but we should be fine. Hopefully we don't pass any cop cars. We were just riding them and this guy he just gets hit by a car. Like a car opens their door and he just got hit.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
You okay, man? Oh, shit.
Too much cold? No, I think it's too cold. That's why just leave it here.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Be easy.
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah.
Really sore? Yeah.
Do you want like a napkin or a rag or something?
That's a crazy thing. Why you have to be so careful on bikes. Hope that guy's alright though. This is it. We made it. It was long, it was a mission, but we made it. Oi!
I didn't fall over.
Got a good shot?
What's this one?
Oh, it's a sick selfie.
I'm gonna
Fuck yeah.
upload that and be like, New York wallpapers on. And at the end, like, you're welcome.
Done.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, nice. This is sort of the point of the night where we got all of our photos at Brooklyn Bridge. And then once we went to Chinatown, we went out to this restaurant. And at this point, my camera was so cold. So when we went from the outdoor temperature to the indoor temperature, my camera actually, what's the word? Like humidified. My camera got condensation inside of it. So it actually formed water inside of all the electrical components of my camera. At least I've got the viewfinder, which means I can still sort of use it. But, you know, it's not as good as having the screen, which is half the camera sort of thing. As we were shooting for the rest of the night, my camera sort of started to get a bit better, but it was still flickering on and off. So we went out and did some street photography. I got these photos here. I was shooting with a Sigma 35mm f1.4, which is how I got that really sort of sharp depth in the photos, especially with the umbrella photo. That is just what I love about photography, being able to get that depth that you can't really see with your eyes, but having that 35mm, having the sharpness, It's so good to just be able to capture that. This photo that I got here was one of my favorites of the whole trip. I was just so happy with how perfectly timed the police officers were walking down. They're walking together in the center of a symmetrical bridge, and they were both looking at my camera. It's just like, I had my camera there at the right time and I managed to get it, which I'm really happy of myself that I actually did that. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, remember to leave a like and hit subscribe. And as always, stay inspired, keep creating, and I will see you in the next one.